Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is Should I or Should I Not? Part 1. To be or not to be, that is the question. Shakespeare's words echo my own indecision. In 2022, I began tracing my maternal family's roots, armed with a 32-page document and a sense of purpose. But after a few posts, I stopped. In 2024, I revived the project, this time including my paternal side. Yet again, it stalled. What's holding me back? Is it fear of uncovering family secrets or the enormity of the task? Someone told me I should pursue this, not because I want to, but because I have to. This could be a legacy, a bridge connecting the past to the future. But first, I need to determine my purpose. Am I documenting history or just preserving memories? That clarity will guide my next step. What do you think? Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.